Hey guys, Anthony from Go Industrial here. Today we're going to be going over ways to identify if your Graco Ultra Max or Ultra handheld unit needs a pump repair or replacement. There's a few ways to tell if your pump's on the way out and is in need of repair or replacement. Some of them are when your sprayer makes no sound when the trigger's pulled, or if the sprayer is making sound however no material is coming out, or if you're getting uneven spray patterns and tails consistently throughout your spraying. Another way is also if there's excessive noise and vibration when priming and spraying. It's worth noting as well, with the Graco Ultra and Ultra Max unit, those pumps carry a 12-month warranty. So if you have any problems within that time frame, just get in contact with us here at Go Industrial and we can help you within Australia. If you're replacing the pump on your own, there's a couple of things you'll need. First, you'll need just a Phillips head screwdriver and also a T15 star tool. The next thing you need to do is then purchase your authentic Graco pump. So there are two separate pumps. So you have the Graco kit pump for the Ultra and Ultra Corded, and then you have the brushless pump for the Ultra Max. Links are in the description for both those items. There are three important things to note when replacing the pump on your handheld unit. Firstly, with the pump itself, you never want to rotate this brass gear here. That can cause damage to the pump before you even get it in the machine. The second thing is you want to make sure that there's no fluid or liquid within the machine. And then thirdly, you want to make sure that it's disconnected from all power and there is no supply. The next thing you want to do is on the front face, you want to remove all the facing screws. Flip it over and remove the two screws on the back with your star tool. The next thing you want to do once you've removed all the front facing screws as well as the two screws on the back, you want to remove the screw from your prime spray switch. Excellent, and then just remove the switch itself. Once that's been done, you can carefully remove the front face case, making sure there's no wires caught up in that. Now that we've removed the casing, the next thing you want to do is remove the pump. So just holding that motor in place, just gently lift the pump out. The key difference between the Ultra and the Ultra Max is that the Ultra Max is a brushless motor and hence has this earthing cable. If you're unsure when removing the pump, just refer to the manual in the pump box. Excellent. Next thing you want to do is you want to grab a shifter, place that on the end of this section here. Undo that one and remove the earthing cable. Now that the old pump's been removed, you can install the new pump. Gently lift this motor out of place. Attach the earthing cable. Ensuring that the thread faces downwards, just slot the pump back into place. And your casing will pop off, like so. Then, keeping a finger on the gear to make sure that it doesn't rotate, just press that motor back into place. Ensure that the earthing cable is in the correct spot. Then you're good to put back on that front casing. Now that we've finished, you can place the battery back in the machine, test it, and start spraying. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks about everything Graco.